Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer assets between exchanges. Today, we're covering how to transfer BUSD from Crypto.com to Bitrue step by step. BUSD is a stablecoin that's great for quick transfers, and this process is straightforward if you follow along carefully. Why do this? It could help you diversify your holdings or take advantage of better opportunities on Bitrue. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Bitrue, and that you have some BUSD in your Crypto.com wallet. Start by logging into your Crypto.com app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select BUSD from your list of assets. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually right there on the asset page. Before you proceed, double-check that you're using the correct network for BUSD. In 2025, Bitrue typically supports BEP2 or BEP20 for BUSD, so select that to avoid any issues. Now, enter the wallet address from Bitrue. To get this, log into your Bitrue account, go to your deposit section, select BUSD, and copy the provided address. Paste it carefully into the withdrawal form on Crypto.com. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Remember to leave enough for any network fees, which can vary. Review all the details one last time to ensure everything's accurate. A wrong address could mean lost funds. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation prompt. Approve it, and your transfer will be on its way. Once you've sent it, head over to Bitrue and check your deposit history. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the funds to show up, depending on network congestion. If it doesn't arrive, don't panic. Check your transaction on a blockchain explorer using the Texas ID from Crypto.com. A few quick tips. Always use two-factor authentication for security. Be mindful of fees as they can eat into your transfer, and never share your private keys. That's it for this guide. You've now mastered transferring BUSD from Crypto.com to Bitrue in 2025. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.